And here we've got the corded story. So we've got the Black Decker 400 watt jigsaw. It's got 65mm capacity into timber and 5mm into steel plate. Beauty about this guy is it takes the standard blade fitment. So you don't need to go around town chasing some kind of weird and obscure jigsaw blade. It is a standard fit. The other thing is onboard blower, so it'll blow all the material away as you're using it, giving you a perfect line of sight. For more information, find us on our Facebook page or check out our website.